It's Force 13's regional AU channel with the latest on the national weather scene for Monday, the 25th of September. Here's a look at the winds at the 850 millibars level from 10 a.m. through to 2200 hours tomorrow. There's a strong wind warning for Western Australia's Gascoyne and Geraldton coast. Here in Queensland for the Peninsula coast. And for the Frederick Henry Norfolk Storm Bays, Channel, Banks Strait, Franklin Sound, east of the Flinders Island, the upper east, lower east, southeast, the southwest coast. Strong wind warning for those areas in the state of Tasmania. That's all that is going on. At the time of doing this brief video update, Sydney temperature 22.4, 17.9 Melbourne, 21.2 in Brisbane, 17.8 Perth, 20 Adelaide, 12.2 Hobart, 21.6 Canberra, 28.7 in Darwin. Now we have a look at precipitation and pressure information at the bottom of the screen. And a week ago, Bureau of Meteorology officially declared Australia in a El Nino event. Australia's heat engine firing up early. Now here's a look at instability from 10 a.m. through to 2200 hours, and I would say this is a developing picture. Northern Western Australia is sometimes referred to as Australia's heat engine because of the hot air that develops there when the sun beats down on cloudless deserts and is transported across the country by troughs and cold fronts. Heat is currently building over northern Western Australia with several locations exceeding 40 Celsius 24 hours ago, including Port Hedland and Marble Bar in the Pilbara, which both had their hottest September days in 17 years. One of the factors contributing to this difference is the amount of cloud cover. Last year was cloudy over much of the country, including Western Australia during winter and spring, due to cloud bands. Much of this year has been lacking in cloud cover compared to average, allowing the ground and air to heat up easier. A very hot mass of air will continue to develop over the cloudless deserts of northern WA this week and will spread across the country. Here's a look at the Bureau's total forecasts of rain, divided into three graphics from days 1 to 4, 5 to 8, 1 to 8. and it'll become hotter, and the trough will pull it southward by Friday the 29th. The trough and the cold front will drag the hot air to southeast Australia on the weekend. And it looks like it's going to be the west coast of Tasmania and the southern southwest tip of WA. And again, there's not much change for the tropical North Queensland coast. Cairns down to Innisfail. Rainfall scale is the right hand side of the screen. And we'll continue to bring the latest information when it comes on the radar.